Alright, so I want to give you guys a problem on mechanical advantage where I kind of work through it, alright? And so here's the problem. We're looking at number 2 here. A lever is used to lift a heavy load. You have a 50 Newton force pushing one end of the lever down 1.2 meters, and the load rises 0.2 meters. Calculate the weight of the load, neglect friction. In other words, static equilibrium. Again, in pretty much all these problems, we're going to be assuming static equilibrium unless they tell us otherwise, which they never do. So you can use the fact that IMA is equal to AMA, like you always will basically be doing here. All right. So what I did first here was I draw a picture of the situation. All right. So we know we got a lever using to lift a heavy load, and so I basically kind of put it together like this. So here's the lever, here's the heavy load, here's the other load that's going up, and so going back to this problem. All right, the heavy load pushes one end of the lever down 1.2 meters, and the load rises 0.2. Okay, so this 50 newtons force is pushing that lever down. That's our resistance right there, right? This Newton is what's creating the resistance for this thing to go up. All right, and so like if I want to push this thing back down, it's that's the effort I have to put in for this resistance over here. So we have a resistance force of 50 newtons. Alright, so this is my force of resistance. Since this is my force of resistance, this down here is also resistance. This would be my distance resistance. Over here we have our distance of effort. That is a horrible D, I apologize. That is a D though, for those keeping score at home. And then here is my effort force right here that we don't know. That's what we're trying to find. What is how many newtons is the load? Alright, calculate the weight of the load. That's what we're trying to figure out here. Alright, and so it's pretty simple. Then it's just a matter of setting up the equation. So again, AMA is equal to IMA, force of resistance over force of effort. So 50 over x is equal to distance of effort, so 0.2 divided by distance of resistance, 1.2. Cross multiply and solve. Alright, and your answer, you should, use the units. Let's see here. So if I'm doing the quick math here, 50 times 1.2, that's 60. 60 divided by 2, so 60 divided by 1/5, so that's 300 newtons. Looks like this is a 300 newton load over here. And I just did that in my head. I don't know if it's right or not. I'm here. I don't know if you see this calculator on here. Maybe you do. So 50 times 1.2, 60 divided by 0.2, 300. Oh, look, I'm pretty good at math, yeah, in case you didn't know. So here you go. That's it. All right, and so again, you see AMA equal to IMA, and that's going to happen a lot. This kind of thing is what you're going to be using. Okay, all right, that's all I got, guys. Have a good day.